I ate them. That's right. I ate the divorce paper straws. I ate them with ketchup and they were good. You probably want me to take our divorce seriously, but the thing is, you always treated our marriage as a joke, so let's use logic here. If A, we never had a serious marriage, then B, we can have a serious divorce. We can't. The whole thing is a farce, Charles. A farce that tastes good with ketchup. I mean, wasn't it last week your father asked you why you walked down the aisle with me and you said, for the exercise. You're so funny, Charles. You're very funny. I'm laughing, not crying. I'm laughing because you're about to give up on a woman who is definitely lovable. For instance, Paul, he has loved me since the 8th grade. He sure is a little creepy, but he really loves me. He has made 127 passes at me, proposed 47 times, and has thrown over 200 loves on it. He sees something in me, Charles, and he writes it down in metered verse. I didn't actually write that love sonnet, Paul did it, and it was really good. So the truth is that I ate the divorce papers, Charles. I ate them because I cannot stomach the thought of loving you.